In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Veed.io email address. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, along with a few helpful tips to make the change smooth and secure. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type Veed.io into the search bar. In the results, look for the official Veed website and click through to it. This ensures you're on the correct site and avoids any lookalike pages. Once you're on Veed.io, navigate to your dashboard. Depending on where you land, you might see a dashboard button near the top navigation or within the account menu. If you're prompted to sign in first, go ahead and do that so you can access your account area. From your dashboard, open your account settings. You'll usually find this by clicking your profile picture or initials in the top right corner, then selecting account settings from the menu. This is where you can manage personal details linked to your Veed.io account. On the account settings page, locate the field that displays your current email address. Next to it, you'll see a small pencil icon, the universal edit button. Click that pencil to enable editing. Carefully type in the new email address you want to use, making sure there are no typos or extra spaces. If there's a confirmation field, enter the same email address again to avoid mistakes. Taking a moment to double check here prevents login headaches later. When you're confident the new email is correct, click Save. You should see a confirmation message on the page letting you know the change has been captured. In some cases, Veed.io may prompt you to verify the new address. If that happens, open your inbox for the new email, look for a verification message from Veed.io, and follow the link inside. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folders and mark it as safe so you receive future updates. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you usually sign in with a social login, like a connected account from another provider, remember that your sign-in method may be tied to that provider's email. Make sure everything matches to keep sign-in seamless. Also, after saving, you may be asked to log in again using the updated email. That's normal. That's all there is to it. Open Veed.io, head to your dashboard, go into account settings, click the pencil next to your email, enter the new address, and hit save. Thanks for watching and happy editing.